Namaste from this side to that. In this video, we are going to cover 3 interesting terms related to UI UX design that every designer should know. First up is material design. Material design, developed by Google, is a design language focused on creating consistent and intuitive user interfaces across various platforms and devices. It's needed to provide users with a seamless and visually pleasing experience while navigating digital interfaces. An example is the use of responsive design elements like cards and floating action buttons in a mobile app, ensuring that the user can easily interact with the content regardless of the device screen size, and maintaining a cohesive and user-friendly look and feel. Now let's move on to the next term, that is flat design. Flat design is a design style characterized by its simplicity, use of clean lines, bright colors, and two-dimensional elements. It eliminates texture, shadow, and depth to achieve a clean and straightforward aesthetic. It is needed to create user-friendly and visually appealing digital interfaces and graphics. An example is the user interface of Windows 8, featuring minimalist icons and typography which prioritizes clarity and ease of use, setting the stage for a cleaner, modern aesthetic in digital design. Next up is atomic design. Atomic design is a systematic approach that breaks down design elements into smallest, reusable components such as buttons, forms, and icons. It is needed to create consistent and efficient design systems. Designers use atomic design to construct user interfaces. By assembling these atomic components into more complex structures, ensuring visual coherence and scalability. For instance, in web design, designers use atomic design principles to construct reusable elements like buttons, forms, and cards, ensuring visual and functional harmony throughout website or application. This modular approach streamlines design and development, making it easier to create and maintain complex designs with unified style, saving time and effort in the long run. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more amazing content.